Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about how I got this blue eyeshadow look. I would like to dedicate this video to my girl Emily, who recommended that my next colors be blue. This is my first time using the James Charles palette for blue. As I was doing it, I was like, this is not turning out. It's looking a little rough. But I definitely have to say that in the end, the look definitely did get pulled together. And again, shout out to you, girl. Thank you for the recommendation. This video is all for you. Okay guys, if you would like to see how I get this makeup look, continue watching. So I started off with my Pond's Rejuveness Anti-Wrinkle Cream. Honestly, it's just a random face lotion that I grabbed out of my mom's closet. Okay guys, I finally bought a primer. I've been shopping around for a while, reading reviews, trying to find one that I thought would work for my skin, and I ended up buying two. But the one I'm going to be using and trying out for the first time today is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So it comes in this cute little box. Okay, this is what it looks like outside of the box. Next, I'm going to get my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Sorry guys, I'm not that prepared today. I don't even have all my stuff out of my makeup bag, so excuse me while I'm like rummaging through here. I have my Anastasia Beverly Hills Duo Eyebrow Brush, and then I just have a small angled brush. This brush combo every time I do my eyebrows. And then I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pomade in medium brown. Then I take my brush up and out. Big brush. My James Charles palette.
I'm kind of thinking this on the lid with this, like in my corner. Kind of blend this out into this, and I'm thinking these three right here.
Take my angled eyeshadow brush.
And I'm going to go in with this part again, dab it all over, like so. And start with that top part on the outside and drag it in. That looks insane already, I'm scared. Okay. In the crease just to darken up. Let's take this brush. I am actually going to use this blue. I'm going to use this blue to actually lighten it up and blend it all together. Because I'm actually going to go in with this purple too. This looks really crazy right now, but I promise it'll look way better when I'm done.
Go in with my larger angled brush and my Maybelline Fit Me again. spray this brush with some water. I really want this blue to pop when I put it on, right? Okay, there we go. I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. Go in with this shimmer blue, which is the only one that I actually ended up not using. Kind of rub it in, and I'm gonna do it along my lash line. I'm just noticing that this is not solid at all. Guys, I'm kind of like freaking stuck. They say BB & Co. Bonnie Hair Lash and Boutique, and then they're called I'm a Flirt. These are the big dramatic lashes, and I actually suck at applying them, so ahead of time I'm really sorry. I don't know why. These just have a thick ass band. I'm just not used to them. Alexa, play Pandora while I'm waiting. Sorry.
Bad Bad Bad, featuring Lil Baby.
What the fuck is up with this shit? Sorry guys, okay. I have one stupid lash down. I actually put this side on way better than that side. I don't know what's going on. Now I'm gonna move on to my face. So I'm going to be using my Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. Foundation that's on the Beauty Blender, that is what I'm going to use to go over my nose. And you guys, along with primer, I also got Cartier Pro Glow to Go. Look how freaking cute this is. This is my first time opening it. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna be bigger, but whatever. It comes with this clear sheet over it, and it comes with a little mirror. Top color is Gleam. The second one is Burst, and then this contour is Chisel. So right here I actually have two highlighters and a contour. To go into my contour, I'm going to use this angled brush. It actually smells really good too. setting powder that is spilled all over me. I'm gonna take my James Charles palette again. So again, I'm gonna be using this as a blush. Look at this brush. And again, going with this pink color. It's just light, and I also go in with this orange color if you guys hadn't noticed, but I just like just the tiniest bit. I'm just gonna, oh shit, look at that, yeah. Just gonna kind of drag it up my cheek. Next, I'm gonna take my big brush. I'm going to be going in with my Revolution Strobe Highlighter. Highlighting is literally my favorite thing to do. So I'm going to go in with Neutrogena Moisture Smooth Color Stick. And of course, can't forget my hoops. Okay guys, this is my finished look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, go ahead and comment, and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!